Guys, here is a quick way to solve quadratic equation by factorization method. We are told to solve 5x squared minus 4x is equal to 0. So for us to solve this, all we have to do is to multiply the leading coefficient to the last term. So when you multiply 5, which is the leading coefficient, to the last term, which is minus 1, it should give you minus 5. Then the next step is to think of two numbers that once you multiply them together, you get the minus 5. But if you add them together, you get the middle term, minus 4. When you multiply minus 5 to 1, you are getting minus 5, which is this term. And when you add them together, you get minus 4. So the best factors is minus 5 and 1. So we are going to use that to expand the middle term. So 5x squared. So instead of writing minus 4x, I will use minus 5x minus 5x. Then this one is plus 1. Then plus, no need of writing 1x, minus 1 equal to 0. You can see that these are still the same. So we'll now group the first two terms and group the last two terms. So the common factor between the first two terms, I can factor out 5x. If you factor out 5x, what will be left here? You can only have x, then minus 1. Then if you look at this middle term, what can you actually factor here? Just 1, because plus 1, because we want plus 1. Then you are left with x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay? Since these two middle brackets are the same, you can now use it as a single factor, x minus 1, multiply by these two terms that multiplies the two common brackets. And that will be 5x plus 1 equal to 0. We've actually factorized. So when two terms multiply to give 0, one of them is 0 or both of them are zeros. X minus 1 is equals to 0. In that case, x can be equal to, when minus 1 crossing the equality sign, it becomes plus 1. So x can be 1. Then the next one is 5x plus 1 is equals to 0. Then if 1 crosses the equality sign, you are having it to be 5x is equals to minus 1 because it becomes a negative. Divide through by 5, divide through by 5. If you divide by 5, you see that x is equals to minus 1 over 5. So the two possible solutions can be 1 and minus 1 over 5. Please like, comment, and share for more content like this. Bye-bye.